Greenland, the world's largest island, is often thought of as a frozen wasteland, vast, icy, and largely uninhabited. When people picture Greenland, they imagine towering glaciers, windswept tundra, and freezing waters. But what if I told you that beneath this icy facade lies a wealth of untold secrets that most people don't even know about? Secrets that could change everything we thought we knew about this mysterious land. From ancient civilizations to lost ecosystems, Greenland is full of astonishing discoveries that have been hidden for centuries, just waiting to be unearthed. In this video, we'll uncover some of Greenland's most fascinating and little-known mysteries. 1. The lost Vikings and mysterious disappearances. Many people are familiar with the Vikings' voyages and their settlements across the North Atlantic, but few know that Greenland was once home to thriving Viking colonies. In the 10th century, Eric the Red, an exiled Viking, established the first permanent Norse settlement on Greenland's southwestern coast. The colony flourished for several centuries, with Norse settlers farming the land, raising livestock, and even trading with other regions. But what happened to the Vikings of Greenland? By the 15th century, these colonies mysteriously vanished, and no one really knows why. Traditional theories suggest that climate change or conflicts with native Inuit people led to their demise. However, recent research offers a more nuanced theory. While the climate did indeed cool during this period, there's evidence that the Vikings may have had more advanced survival strategies than previously thought. Excavations of Viking settlements have revealed they were in contact with the Inuit, and that their sudden disappearance could have been due to a combination of internal conflict, external pressures, and the difficulty of adapting to a rapidly changing environment. But these theories are still being debated, and the true cause remains shrouded in mystery. 2. Ghost forests beneath the ice. Another secret hidden beneath Greenland's glaciers is what some researchers are calling the ghost forests. These are remnants of ancient forests, perfectly preserved under layers of ice for thousands of years. You might not expect to find forests in Greenland's harsh Arctic environment today, but this wasn't always the case. Fossilized trees discovered under the ice sheets suggest that Greenland was once much warmer, with lush forests and a thriving ecosystem. The trees have been preserved in the ice for centuries, offering us a window into a Greenland that no longer exists. As the ice sheets melt due to climate change, these ghost forests are being exposed to the surface, revealing ancient species of trees and plants that once covered the island. These discoveries are incredibly valuable, as they provide clues to what Greenland's climate and environment were like in the past, and how the planet's climate has changed over time. But they also serve as a stark reminder of the rapid and sometimes irreversible shifts happening to our climate today. 3. The Greenland ice sheet and hidden lakes. One of the most striking features of Greenland is its massive ice sheet, which covers about 80% of the island's surface. The Greenland ice sheet is a vital component of the planet's climate system, but it's also hiding some of the most mind-boggling secrets. Beneath this thick layer of ice, scientists have recently discovered a vast network of hidden lakes and rivers, ancient waterways that have been trapped beneath the ice for millennia. The discovery of these hidden lakes is changing the way we think about the island's environment. Some of these lakes are massive, covering hundreds of square miles, and could hold clues about ancient ecosystems that existed long before Greenland became the icy, barren landscape it is today. In fact, these lakes could even provide scientists with insights into life forms that may have once thrived in the region, offering the possibility of discovering new species or even new forms of life. As the ice sheet continues to melt, these hidden bodies of water are being exposed, and the scientific community is scrambling to understand their implications. Could these lakes hold the key to understanding how the Earth's climate is shifting? Or could they even reveal new insights into the potential for life in extreme environments, such as those found on other planets? 4. The mystery of the melting permafrost. Greenland's ice isn't the only thing that's melting. The permafrost, a layer of permanently frozen ground that has existed for thousands of years, is also thawing at an alarming rate. As this permafrost melts, it's releasing ancient organic material into the environment, organic material that has been frozen and preserved for centuries. The consequences of this are far-reaching, as it could have significant implications for the global climate. As the permafrost thaws, it releases large amounts of methane, a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. This could potentially accelerate the effects of global warming, further contributing to the melting of the ice sheets. But there's another layer to this mystery. Scientists have found traces of ancient bacteria and viruses in the thawing permafrost, some of which have been dormant for thousands of years. While these microorganisms pose no immediate threat, they could hold valuable genetic information that could help researchers understand ancient diseases or potentially unlock new scientific discoveries. 5. The ancient civilization of Greenland. Could Greenland have been home to a much older civilization than the Vikings? Some researchers believe that the island may have been inhabited by humans long before the Vikings arrived, with traces of ancient settlements buried beneath the ice. Evidence of early human habitation has been found in Greenland, with some of the oldest artifacts dating back thousands of years. These discoveries suggest that ancient peoples might have once lived on the island, utilizing the land's resources and adapting to the harsh environment in ways that we can only begin to understand. But as of now, much of Greenland's pre-Viking history remains a mystery. There's still much to discover, and new archaeological digs continue to uncover clues about the people who may have lived on the island long before the Viking Age. Could Greenland have been home to a civilization that's been completely erased from history? Only time, and further exploration, will tell. 6. The role of Greenland in modern geopolitics. In more recent years, Greenland has become a point of interest on the global stage. While many view the island as a remote and desolate place, it has a unique geopolitical position. Located between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans, Greenland is strategically important in terms of military defense and shipping routes. As the ice melts, new shipping lanes are opening up in the Arctic, which could have a profound impact on global trade. This has caught the attention of major global powers, particularly the United States and China, who are both vying for influence in the region. Greenland's natural resources, including rare earth metals, also make it a valuable asset. As the island's geopolitical significance increases, its relationship with Denmark, which still maintains sovereignty over Greenland, is becoming a subject of growing interest and even tension. Conclusion: Greenland's secrets are just the beginning. Greenland, often regarded as a remote and inhospitable land, is anything but what it may first appear to be. Beneath the thick layers of ice and snow lies a treasure trove of untold stories, both ancient and modern, that continue to astound researchers, adventurers, and historians alike. This vast, frozen landscape has long captured the imagination of explorers, but it's only in recent decades that technology and climate change have allowed us to peel back the layers of mystery surrounding this extraordinary place. What we are discovering now is just the tip of the iceberg. In the historical context, Greenland's Viking past alone holds an extraordinary narrative of human ingenuity, survival, and eventual disappearance. The Norsemen, who once thrived on the island, left behind haunting remnants of a civilization that flourished in Greenland's more temperate climate centuries ago. Theories surrounding their disappearance remain a topic of heated debate, but with every new archaeological find, we come one step closer to solving this centuries-old mystery. Yet, the island's mysteries extend far beyond just human history. Beneath the immense Greenland ice sheet lies a previously hidden world. The discovery of ghost forests buried under miles of ice challenges our traditional understanding of Greenland's ancient environment. Evidence suggests that this once lush and thriving ecosystem could have supported a variety of plant and animal life that has long since disappeared. The uncovering of these ancient trees is one of many signs that Greenland's climate, like so many other parts of the Earth, has undergone dramatic changes over the millennia. What was once a warm, thriving environment has transformed into a barren, icy desert, yet the evidence of what once was remains frozen in time, waiting to be rediscovered. In addition to the ancient ecosystems that are slowly being revealed by melting ice, Greenland is also home to startling modern-day revelations. The melting of the ice sheet and the thawing of permafrost are unlocking hidden treasures, ancient bacteria and viruses that have been dormant for millennia. This poses new questions about the potential risks and benefits of the thawing of permafrost and its impact on the environment. Could these microorganisms hold the key to understanding past diseases or even unlocking cures for modern ailments? Or will they present unforeseen challenges, like contributing to the acceleration of climate change by releasing methane into the atmosphere? The scientific community is still grappling with these questions as new discoveries continue to unfold. Moreover, the increasing rate of ice melt in Greenland is revealing previously unknown geological features, such as hidden lakes and rivers trapped beneath the ice for thousands of years. These bodies of water could provide invaluable insight into the region's ancient climate and hydrology, offering us clues about Earth's past and future. With the rapid pace of climate change, Greenland is becoming an even more important focal point for global scientific research. What is perhaps even more striking is the role Greenland plays in today's global geopolitics. The island's vast natural resources, including rare earth minerals and oil, are becoming increasingly important as nations vie for influence in the Arctic region. This newfound interest in Greenland's resources and strategic location, along with the changing climate, has brought the island to the forefront of political discussions, making it not just a place of historical and environmental significance but also a key player in global affairs. Looking ahead, the story of Greenland is far from over. As the ice continues to retreat, more secrets will inevitably be uncovered. The more we learn about Greenland's complex history, from its ancient ecosystems to its role in shaping human civilization, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. Every new layer of ice that melts brings with it the possibility of greater revelations, secrets that have remained hidden for thousands of years but are now being brought into the light. What's hidden beneath the ice may still surprise us, and future generations of explorers and scientists will continue to unravel the island's mysteries. Greenland is not just a frozen wasteland, it's a land of profound significance, historically, ecologically, and geopolitically. It holds the stories of ancient civilizations, long-forgotten species, and the shifting dynamics of our planet's climate. With each passing year, the mysteries of Greenland are slowly being uncovered, and with them, the potential for groundbreaking discoveries that will shape our understanding of the past, present, and future. This vast, icy landmass is full of stories waiting to be told, and the next great adventure could be just around the corner. So the next time you think about Greenland, remember, it's not just ice and snow. It's a land that holds the keys to many of the world's greatest unsolved mysteries, and those secrets are only just beginning to emerge.